Smartphone screens are brittle, expensive, and downright depressing when broken. We've heard countless stories of how the smallest drop has shattered a screen, followed by the heartbreak of having to shell out a lot of money for repairs and then having to live with a fixed smartphone. According to Motorola's own statistics, 51% of smartphone users have shattered or cracked their display at some point. Manufacturers have tried to do their part to make such damage less upsetting for customers, such as Samsung's offer of a one-time screen replacement during the first year of purchase. Additionally, Apple may soon accept phones with broken screens as part of its trade-in program. While these may be some consolation to victims of a broken screen, why not dream of better? That's where the Rs 49,999 Moto X Force comes in. The phone comes with what the company calls a shatter shield display, and Motorola assures buyers that the screen of the phone is shatterproof. It's designed to take a pounding, including being dropped onto solid surfaces from heights and at angles that would result in gaping cracks through a typical smartphone screen, and shivers down the spines of the owners of said smartphones. Motorola further backs up the guarantee with a 4-year warranty on the display, which covers accidental damage. And above all, this is a flagship smartphone with all the bells and whistles you'd expect to see. We review the unbreakable Motorola Moto X Force. Specifications and software. When a smartphone costs nearly Rs 50,000, there are some obvious expectations from the specifications sheet which the Moto X Force does live up to, with top-end innards. Powering the smartphone is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 810 SoC, which is currently Qualcomm's flagship smartphone SoC. There's also 3 GB of RAM and either 32 GB or 64 GB of internal storage. Keep in mind that the 64 GB option costs a bit more at Rs 53,999, and that you can add expandable storage up to a theoretical 2 TB, although the current highest capacity for microSD cards is 200 GB. The single SIM smartphone also supports 4G connectivity, with support for the FDD-LTE and TDD-LTE bands currently used by operators in India. The phone has a non-removable 3760 mAh battery, and comes with a massive 25W charger. Along with Qualcomm's fast charge technology, this ensures that the phone can go from 0 to 100% in less than an hour, which is incredibly useful. The only issue we had with the charger is that it doesn't have a detachable USB cable, so you'll need a separate cable to connect the Moto X Force to a PC. The phone also supports wireless charging, but you'll need to buy a separate accessory for this. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11a/b